Hey there camper, welcome to our camp. Today I want to show you something really cool and make the sounds of a thunderstorm with these three musical instruments. This first one here is called a thunder tube, this middle one is called a rainstick, and this third one is called a Güiro. Let's try them out. First up we've got the thunder tube. It's made out of a cylindrical tube and then a metal wire on the bottom, so when you shake it, it sounds like a thunderstorm. And you can grab the metal wire to stop it. It even has lightning bolts on it to show that it's meant to sound like a thunderstorm. Next up is the rainstick, and it's called a rainstick because there's a ton of tiny little beads inside there that hit a ton of different levels that make it sound like it's raining. Let's try it out. And if you flip it upside down consistently, it'll sound like it's constantly raining. This will be a great sound for our thunderstorm. Our last instrument is a Güiro, and it will be really helpful during our rainstorm because when you use it, it sounds kind of like a frog or a cricket. It'll be really helpful for adding some wildlife into our thunderstorm. Now let's make our thunderstorm. First, let's start with the thunder. Then let's add the rainstick. Then let's add the Güiro. Now, if you close your eyes, do you imagine a thunderstorm? Let's try it out. Isn't it cool to see what sounds you can make from musical instruments? There are all sorts of sounds you can make from musical instruments and also just things laying around the house. Well, thank you for coming to our camp. Please hurry back, and I'll see you next time.